everybody? J Styles, all things styles. Welcome to another video. If you guys are new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. That helps the channel grow. Speaking of the channel growing, there's an affiliate link down below from the good folks at Heat Transfer Wearhouse. Using that link also helps the channel grow at no additional cost to yourself. Heat Transfer Wearhouse is your one-stop shop for everything heat press related. Heat transfers, super color, all that good stuff, they got you. But today's video, we're going to go ahead and do a silhouette tutorial using this vinyl, Walakut Express, also from Heat Transfer Wearhouse. But before we get into the video, as per usual, shout out to the squad, Mike T's, 12 Gun Apparel, You Dig Lifestyle. Also, the collective, shout out to the squad, the Facebook group, hashtag, it's always linked below. Hang tight, we're going to go ahead and get to that tutorial, wrap a bit. Yeah, Heat Transfer Wearhouse, Walakut Express. Also, what are your thoughts? Like, what do you guys look for in a vinyl? I yet to see that in the comments below. I'm starting to think you guys don't really like me much. I joke, I kid. If you didn't like me, you wouldn't be here, right? Yeah, it's the cool place. Also, cool place, squad. We go live Saturdays. Saturday Night Live has a ring to it, right? Yeah. So if you guys want to come in close, we'll get that started. Okay, so we're going to do a design like this, and we're going to go over the main tools that you're going to need for every design thereafter. So this main one is going to be your page setup, and you'll know this as it refers to a piece of paper or a page rather. I usually set it for custom, and the mat size is 12 by 12, so that's where I leave it. The cut border is self-explanatory. It kind of keeps you in line, a guideline per se. The next one is going to be the font, or where you get ready to type. And you'll know this by the letter. Next is going to be your color palette, and this is how you'll be able to color your designs. The next one is going to be where you can make your line thicker or thinner, also add color. The next one is going to be your bread and butter, no pun. It's going to be a trace tool, and this is going to be used for almost everything, and we'll go over this when we get ready to design. The next one is going to be your font selector, and we'll also go over how you download your fonts and how to upload them to Silhouette. The next one is going to be your transform tool. This is going to be how you center your design. Last one is going to be the modify tool. This is going to help you with your knockouts and a lot of different things, but we'll show you a simpler way when we get ready to design. So you guys give me a moment. We'll get a fresh page set up, and as always, we'll wrap a bit. Okay, so now we have our fresh page, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open the internet, and we're going to upload our image. So again, we've typed in hearts. This is just your regular Google image search. And we're going to scroll through to find one that we like. Preferably one with a white background. Black if you can find it. It's a lot easier. So I usually type in like silhouette or outline. So here's a good one. We'll right click, copy image. And what I like to do is I like to kind of move it over so you have a clear canvas, and we'll just paste it. Again, right click, drag to the corner, and we'll just scale it to size. Now this is what we refer to our trace panel, and we're going to go here, select trace. We're going to go ahead and left click, highlight our area, and then here I never really mess with this too much. You can take it down here to scale to 4, and then simply hit trace, and it does just that. Now back to our color palette, select our color, and simply right click, delete and discard your image. Next, our font, and we're going to type in okay. Back to our color, for the sake of the video, I'm choosing black. You can choose whatever color you like. Next are our fonts, and you kind of just scroll through whatever font you like. This is the font that I like. Okay, another thing you're going to want to do is right click, and you're going to want to convert to paths. It's going to give you a truer estimate of your size, so when you're scaling it. And then you have your desired size. For the sake of video, we'll say this is the size that we want. Simply drag. And of course, don't mind where it sit right now, because we're going to also use two different colors, so therefore we're not going to cut them at the same time anyway. So, of course. And also a tip, when using smaller pieces, you want to kind of have them off to the corner, so therefore you don't waste any of this other vinyl, opposed to having it here, because it's going to cut here and then your vinyl is through. So give me a moment and we'll get this set up on the mat. I'll cut out my design and then we'll wrap a bit. Anything that you guys didn't catch, need me to redo it, drop them in the comments below, and we'll have a video dedicated just to silhouette. Or you can also catch Mike T's. He makes some mistakes you don't have to. How's it going with you guys? Nice. Myself, I mean, you know, I can't complain. Everything's okay until it's not. I mean, am I right? So yeah, so this vinyl, my initial, like right off the top, you can tell that it's real thin. So it's gonna be light. So for all you guys who are like layer fanatics, it's gonna be a good look. And again, it's gonna be 305 for 5 seconds, as low as 250 press time. So what do you guys got going on for the rest of the day? I mean, after watching a few of my videos, of course. Or is that like how you plan to spend your day? I've got quite a bit of videos you guys can watch. Nah, not at all. Nah. Also, when you're cutting this, be aware that's always going to be matte side. It's going to be up. Shiny side is going to be down. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all cut out, get my mat set up, and I'll meet you guys back at either the cutter or the heat press. I'm not really sure. Either way it goes, you guys hang tight. Okay, so our press is set at 305. We're going to be pressing on these gilded shirts. As I said before, I use these for promo or for test purposes. I'm good now. Okay, so this Walakut, it presses at 305 for 5 seconds. That's the kicker, 5 seconds. As always, you want to have your lint brush. We're going to give it a quick pre-press. It's going to get any moisture out of your garment. Our image, as always, 3 fingers down from the collar. You always want to inspect your vinyl for any miscellaneous pieces that may have gotten stuck to your carrier sheet. You can also take a pair of scissors and just cut that part off. And for the second video, we'll just call it even. The main purpose is just this 5-second press. So count them down. 5 seconds. This is also a warm peel. Warm to cool. The hand feel, it's not bad. Alright, so once again, this has been Jay Styles. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and as always, you guys be kind.